Children's Television Workshop, the most trusted name in preschool education, brings you the most comprehensive kindergarten readiness program available. In this 2 CD-ROM product, a cast of Sesame Street characters introduces children to a full year of learning covering an entire kindergarten curriculum. The first disc, Sesame Street Let's Make a Word, is dedicated to building early reading skills. 24 different activity combinations focus on letters, word identification, phonics, spelling, rhyming, even Spanish. The second disc, Get Set to Learn, completes the comprehensive kindergarten foundation by focusing on early math, as well as thinking and problem-solving skills. Kids practice addition, subtraction, counting, number and pattern recognition, object identification, memory, matching, similarities, differences, and much more. Now enjoy this free interactive activity from the program. Join adorable little Zoe and experience a bit of the most fun and comprehensive way to prepare kids for kindergarten.
Thank you! This is Guy Smiley, America's favorite game show host, welcoming you to another fabulous episode of Get Set to Learn. On my left, all the way from Sesame Street, we have 5 fabulous hosts. If you're looking for a fabulous time, play What Size is Your Prize with Zoe.
It's Zoe! You picked me! Yay!
If you'd like to play What Size is Your Prize with Zoe, click on the Go light. Round 1.
Welcome to What Size is Your Prize? Oh yeah, to play my game, move your star to the red handle and press the button. That says tallest. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Click on the tallest ice cream cone. Hooray! I knew you could do it. You found the right size. Let's keep playing. Move your star to this red handle and press the button. That says smallest. See those number 2s? Click on the smallest number 2. Hooray! I knew you could do it. You found the right size. Let's keep playing. Move your star to this red handle and press the button. That says tallest. See the colorful brooms? Click on the tallest one. Hooray! I knew you could do it. You found the right size.
Wonderful! Amazing! You've answered 3 questions correctly in a row, and now you win a fabulous prize! An electric fur trimmer!
I have fur, but I don't need a trim yet. Don't joke me.
It's time to move ahead. On your mark, get set to play the super bonus round. Zoe will tell you what to do.
Super bonus!
Come on, let's play. Click on the red handle to get a size. That says bigger. Go on, click on the t-shirt that's bigger than the blue one. Hooray! I knew you could do it. You found the right size. That says smaller. Go ahead. Click on the two that's smaller than the red one. Zoe's here! And you got the right answer. I'm so proud of you.
Short. Long. Short. Long. Short. Feather. Light. Light. Book. Heavy. Heavy.
That says taller. Ooh, before it melts, click on the ice cream cone that's taller than the brown one. Oh yeah, you found the right answer. I knew you could.
Wonderful! Amazing! You've answered 3 questions correctly in a row, and now you win a fabulous prize! A noisy dog!
Oh, a Bowser! Zoe loves the doggies! Come on, let's play! Click on the red handle to get a size. That says shorter. Click on the broom that's shorter than the blue one. You're stopping before we finish the game. If you're sure you want to go, press the button again. Okay, back to the studio with Mr. Smiley. See you later.
Welcome back from the super bonus round! You did an excellent job! Welcome back to the Get Set to Learn studio! Did you miss me? Are you really ready to stop playing Get Set to Learn? If you are, click on the exit sign one more time!
We hope you enjoyed this interactive preview. The complete program features 2 CD-ROMs, dozens of activities, more than 40 essential skills, multiple skill levels, songs to play on any audio CD player, and an interactive parent's guide. There is no better way to help your child prepare for kindergarten. Get Set for Kindergarten is just one of the comprehensive titles in the Sesame Street Deluxe Learning Series. There's a product designed specifically for each stage of preschool development. Look for Toddlers Deluxe and Elmo's Preschool Deluxe at fine software retailers everywhere. For more information and to purchase these fantastic products, visit our website at www.cwonders.com or call 1-800-543-9778.